So anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Thursday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. And without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. So we all know that it is Ngane September season 4. It is coming back, and we are ready to defend our favor, guys. So we still remember when they posted a picture Ngane September photo shoot the season 4. We saw Tirelo holding a suitcase, and everybody was surprised. What is going on? We are hamba Tirelo. So today, Tirelo finally explained to us what is going on. This is the picture Tirelo posted with the caption "Securing the bag, honey." The most important thing is to get money. We all know that when you are dating Mpumelelo, it comes with a lot of benefits. It depends where you are focusing on, guys. If you're gonna focus on him cheating on you, you're not gonna get the things that you want. But if you focus on securing the bag, making money using him, trust me and believe you're gonna make more money. We have seen Tirelo getting brands deals, Abu Vuyokazi doing so well, guys, because of his surname Yakamseleko, guys. That surname has the power, guys. It can change your life. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Down.